Introducing the Cummins 82.5 kVA diesel genset, a compact, high-performance solution for uninterrupted energy. Built with CPCB 4+ compliant technology, it delivers cleaner, more sustainable power with reduced emissions. Powered by the advanced X 3.7-liter engine, it delivers a superior power-to-weight ratio, offering more energy without added bulk. Easy to transport, install, and manage on-site. Its compact footprint saves valuable space, while superior block loading capacity ensures uninterrupted performance, even during sudden power demands. With an extended service interval of 500 hours or 18 months, it minimizes maintenance and maximizes uptime. Supporting various applications like rental power needs, manufacturing units, infrastructure projects, real estate developments, healthcare, or hospitality facilities, the Cummins 82.5 kVA genset delivers dependable performance across every industry. More power, smaller footprint, lower TCO. Think power, think Cummins.